Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn on Food Etc. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's recipe is cinnamon buns. So let's go make some. So for our ingredients, we have 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 cup warm milk, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 packet 8 gram instant yeast, 2 eggs, and 4 cups all-purpose flour. First thing first, we are going to activate our instant yeast with our warm milk. Pour it all in. Okay. And stir it. Then we can add 1/2 tablespoon sugar. Then we'll set this aside at least 10 minutes until it activates. We are going to whisk our butter and sugar. Salt. And the eggs. So next we are going to mix the whole wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. We're starting with our beaten egg and butter. Let's mix it up. Okay, then let's add our activated yeast. Okay, we'll mix this all up until we'll incorporate it. We'll flour our work surface, and then we're going to knead our dough for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Let's form a bowl. And we'll put some oil around it. So I'll just rub the oil. Just like that. Back in our mixing bowl. And then cover it with a tea towel and let it rise for at least an hour. Okay, after an hour, our dough has doubled its size. Let's deflate it gently. Okay, Gonna roll our dough. For our filling, we need 1/2 cup softened butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional. I have 1/3 cup chopped walnut and 1/2 cup of raisins. So I spread my dough. It's around 15 by 12. Now we are going to spread our softened butter. Next, we're going to sprinkle our brown sugar on top. Cinnamon powder, just drizzle all over it, just like that. We're going to grease our pan with an oil. Next, we are going to cut this into 12 pieces. We'll just leave this cinnamon buns for 45 minutes. Let it rest for 45 minutes before we put it in the oven. For our frosting, we have 250 gram softened cream cheese, 1/3 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to whip our cream cheese first. And we can add our melted butter. Then whip it up. Next, we can add our milk. Whip it again. Add our vanilla unwhipped. And gradually add our icing sugar. So this is done, and we'll just set this aside for now. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. Now it's time to bake these goodies. We're going to bake the cinnamon buns at 350 degrees for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is over. Time to put the buns out. Nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. And please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to share and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.